Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best carving snowboards that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Snowboard Workout Program by Troy Pasola. Unlike traditional snowboards, this product is a Kindle edition guide designed to help you improve your snowboarding skills through targeted workouts. Its unique approach focuses on building core strength, balance, and carving techniques. This digital format makes it accessible anywhere, and the price point of just $1.99 is unbeatable for those looking to enhance their snowboarding prowess on a budget. While this isn't a physical snowboard, it's an invaluable resource for carving enthusiasts who want to refine their technique before hitting the slopes. The material is well organized, covering everything from beginner exercises to advanced carving drills, making it suitable for all skill levels. The compact Kindle format ensures you can take your lessons on the go, whether you're at home or on the mountain. The downside is that this isn't a hands-on product. It's more of a supplemental tool. However, for $1.99, it's an excellent way to complement your snowboarding experience and improve your skills off the snow. If you're serious about carving, adding this program to your toolkit is a no-brainer. Ranked number 3 is the Agog Sports Slope Deck, a skateboard for the snow. The Slope Deck is designed to deliver a carving experience that mimics skateboarding on snow, making it perfect for snowboarders who want a fresh take on shredding. Its urethane construction and innovative flex bridge design allow for smooth, surf-like turns, making it a fantastic option for both novices and pros. With a weight limit of up to 300 pounds, it accommodates riders of all ages and skill levels. The board measures 35 inches long and 9 inches wide, offering a stable platform for carving turns. Its lightweight build and compact design make it easy to transport and store. Performance-wise, the Slope Deck offers excellent maneuverability, making it ideal for tight turns and creative freeriding. The build quality is impressive, with durable materials that hold up well in various snow conditions. This board is perfect for those who want to practice carving without committing to a full snowboard setup. While the Slope Deck is a blast for carving in packed snow, it may not provide the same level of precision or performance as high-end, full-length snowboards on steep terrain. However, it's an excellent alternative for riders looking for versatility and fun. If you're looking for a snow skate that's both innovative and user-friendly, the Slope Deck is a solid pick. At number 2, we have the Beginner Kids Snowboard 95 centimeters, 38 inches with adjustable bindings by Grizzly Recreation. This snowboard is specifically designed for kids aged 4 to 9 who are just starting their snowboarding journey. Its heavy-duty blow-molded construction includes a cold crack additive for enhanced durability in colder climates. The adjustable ratchet-style bindings provide a secure fit and quick release, ensuring safety and ease of use for young riders. With a vivid blue design, this board is visually appealing and perfectly sized at 95 centimeters to accommodate kids up to 50 inches tall. It's built for sledding hills and backyard use on packed snow, making it an excellent introduction to the sport. Performance-wise, it's forgiving and beginner-friendly, allowing young riders to build confidence and learn the basics of carving without feeling overwhelmed. The lightweight design also makes it easy for kids to handle on their own. The downside is that it's limited to beginner-level use and doesn't offer the advanced features needed for more challenging terrain. Additionally, it's not suitable for adults or taller children. However, for 1.75 kilograms of pure fun and learning, it's a fantastic entry-level option for young snowboarders. Parents looking for a safe and durable board for their kids will appreciate this offering from Grizzly Recreation. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.